mga kabasket. We're on our fourth episode. So for this fourth episode, we have a special guest. So can you do the intro?
Our guest on our fourth episode is one of the most decorated coaches in college basketball scene, but it's not limited to that. He has also found a lot of success sa commercial, but mainly known, at least in Cebu, sa college basketball scene, having won multiple championships here. And yeah, without further ado, let's welcome mga kabasket, Coach Mike Reyes.
Coach
Coach
Mike.
Mike, Coach Mike.
Yes.
Hi, good evening mga kabasket. Kumusta
Hey.
kayo lahat dyan?
Thanks, Coach. First and foremost, Coach Mike, thank you for taking time
Yes.
and coming here to join us in our fourth
The
episode.
short notice.
Yeah, with a very short notice, you came here. You came here very early, so that's that. I guess that's really a coach's thing. Yeah, first to be in during practices. So even here, he came very early, way ahead of both of us there. So, Coach Mike.
Sige, so Coach Mike,
Yes.
our first question is, how did you learn basketball in a coach's perspective? How did you become a coach? How it started?
Siyempre, like everybody, naglalaro raw na rin ako ng basketball. It really started while bata pa kami, nagbabasketball ako. Then yung mga mas younger, nagko-coach lang ako doon.
Di ba, Coach? Boys kayo lahat?
Yes.
You're all boys. Coach Tim Cone mentioned how the Reyes brothers were quite tough for him during ng mga ligang dati na naglalaro siya. So sinasabi niya, were you all of you, June, Coach
Yes. Chot, Len, June, Billy at ako. Lima kami magkakapatid.
Wow, lahat naglalaro ng basketball din.
Yes. First five kami, last
First
point
five.
guard.
So, carry on, Coach Mike.
Yun, mahilig ako mag-coach sa mga bata after we play. So fast forward, officially, si Chot nagko-coach pa sa mga bangko. Sinama niya ako mag-coach with him sa bangko. That's where I started.
What year was that, Coach?
That's 33 years ago. 30...
Oh, quite some time ago.
6 years ago.
36, quite some time ago. Tagal mo na, no? Galing. So, there.
And then, my brother June was coaching Ateneo High School, juniors. And nagkaroon ng PBA. He was playing in the PBA that time. Nagkaroon ng na PBA players cannot coach in the UAP High School. So, Mike, ikaw na mag-coach dito sa UAP High School. That was 1994.
1994.
That was 1994. So, pinagbawal. So, ako nag-step in to coach the UAP Juniors, Ateneo High School team. Parang San Jose karon, nandyan lang si Davis, pero si Melo nag-coach. Yun ang situation before. Si June nagpa-practice, ako lang na coach.
But before that, Coach,
Until from there, tuloy-tuloy na. From there.
But before that, Coach, wala kang experience on
Wala.
Parang baptism of fire na yun, Coach.
Yung hilig lang, coach, yung mga bata. Okay. Then, yung sa bangko, interbank ang tawag doon eh.
Okay.
Si Kitchot, tapos yun ay kay June.
Any of your players sa Eagles mo na who made it to the big league PBA?
Dami.
Sino?
Polasher, Villanueva.
Oh, okay. Those names pala.
Wesley Gonzalez, Paulo Bugia.
Those batch, the batch that won the 2002 crown.
Oh, hindi ako sure, pero sila yun.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Bugia, sila De Rosario yun, di ba?
Oh, yes.
Baji.
Yes, si Baji, yes, De Rosario. Si Chris Kim po, current team manager ng Ateneo. And then, hindi siya nakapag-PBA. The following year, ang Ateneo women's team, yun ang that made me decide to coach yung Ateneo women's team. The current year na nag-champion kami, ang Ateneo women's team, 0-14 sa UAP.
Previous year.
0-14. Walang palalo.
Hindi pa ikaw nun. Sa women's team.
So, tinanong nila ako kung okay ako mag-coach ng women's. Sabi ko, sige. When I took over sa women's team, naka 3 or 4 kami. 4-10 or 3-9. Sabihin, nag-improve.
So you were handling 2 teams or did you shift?
Oo, they both.
Both. Okay.
Sa madalit salita, nag-improve. So, sabi ko, well, baka pwede nga ako mag-coach. Then I started reading books. Yung mga nababasa ko were some of my ideas, yun na talagang propel na talagang I really pursued coaching.
Coaching.
Maliit pang sweldo sa Ateneo noon. So, sinubukan ko magtrabaho. Ang office is 8 o'clock, di ba? Sa buntag. Palagi ako late.
Oh,
Pag-practice, kahit 5 sa buntag,
early.
pumunta eh. That's where it's all day.
Coaching is
Doon na
really good.
nagsugod lahat talaga.
Nice.
From Ateneo High School coach ako, dungan yon with Pasarel, Ateneo
Ano
Pasarel,
year yan, Coach?
94.
94,
298, was it?
92 pa?
52, wow.
92 pa? 1992.
Until what year sa Ateneo?
Until mag-MBA.
99.
What was the
99.
first year of
99.
99?
99.
Megavolts.
99.
Yes. Until nag-MBA nga ako. While I was in Ateneo High School, women's, umalis na ako sa women's, I was assistant sa college ng Ateneo.
The coach
Then
at that time
nag-MBA
was
Pero coach,
Perry Ronquillo.
Perry
how
Ronquillo.
did you land sa katong offer, coach, sa MBA, coach, yung sa Iloilo, di ba? Iloilo ka, Megavolts?
The first was with Pampanga Dragons.
Yung
Under coach, assistant ako, coach
Dandan?
ako ni Arik De Rosario.
Arik De Rosario.
Coach Arik
Arik
De
De Rosario. Arik. Wow.
Arik,
kudos
I
for-
was his assistant coach that time. Nung first year ng MBA.
champion sila, coach, di ba?
Yes.
Sila ba? Or
First. Inaugural
Okay.
champion.
Yes.
Agustin.
Oh.
No, champion.
Laure, yata? Laure,
Hindi,
Hindi,
wala.
Batangas.
Puro,
Ay, yung big man, coach.
Clay?
puro yun. Puro taga Pampanga lahat.
Yung big
Puro
man na,
Pampangan.
magaling na big man nyo doon dati. Sino yun?
Ang magaling na big man nila nun, si Dave Bautista.
Dave Bautista.
Long,
Dave Bautista.
Si Long David.
Long
David.
Si RC. Jerome.
Idol ako sa una.
Really good names. Nostalgic
Yes,
names. So, after mong were you coaching the whole time the MBA was there? So, nung ka talaga?
Hindi, first year lang. The first year, after pag-start ng MBA, after 2 months, kinuha ko ng Iloilo Volts to be the head coach.
Okay.
Siyempre, bata tayo noon. Walang
Kayang-kaya.
inisip na kaya, we can do this.
Di ba si Kuano rin yung coach, yung head coach din doon, kabila sa
Si
Iloilo, si Iloilo?
Ompong Sigura.
Oh, yeah.
So, kinuha ko yung Iloilo Volts until the year ended. The following year, hindi na ako na-renew. So,
that was
1999, 2000, 2001 or 2000,
2002. Wala.
bumalik. Chot had the team in the PBA, yung Papola Panthers.
Papola Panthers.
Sinama niya ako sa staff niya doon until nagpunta na ako dito sa Cebu.
What would be the right question? Who brought you to Cebu? What made you come to Cebu?
How did you abot here, coach?
How did you abot here? Paano ka
How did you abot here, coach?
Nagplano ka, syempre.
Papola Panthers, RFM yun, franchise.
RFM,
Sa RFM.
Swift.
Yung Cebu Basketball Federation dito, may team
CBF.
yung sa
Jazz Cola.
CBF,
Jazz Cola.
Just RFM din yun.
Yes.
I think. Tama ba?
Current players doon were the San Carlos yung affiliate na college team, tama ba?
Oo.
Yung
Jazz Cola.
Partners Cup?
CBF.
Mm.
CBF, Cebu Basketball Federation.
So, J. Ramirez,
J. Rams.
coach
J. Rams.
of Jazz Cola.
Aha.
Si B-Boy Ravanes was kasama namin sa Pop Cola Panthers. Sabi niya, punta ka ron, tulungan niya si Jay.
Oh.
Coach Bert Flores pupunta
Flores.
dito to help J. Rams. Sinama ako ni Bert Flores.
Is it the FEU connection there?
Not really,
Not
pero
really.
yung si Bert Flores taga Consolacion. So,
Cebu lang, ana.
Cebu. Okay. Kasi
Siya
yan, FEU mo siya high school. FEU mo po si Bert Flores.
oo. Pero
FEU mas-
naglaro ako
Oh.
FEU way back.
Way
We're
before
talking
him.
about coaching na
Yeah.
yan eh. Oo. So, yun, sumama ako kay Bert Flores dito and then Father Vic, nagpa-practice sa San Carlos, kinausap na ako doon.
That was 2001.
2004.
2004.
Sinabi ni Father Vic, uy, with your credentials, hindi ka namin kaya bayaran. Sabi ko, okay lang as long as may magandang offer for my children sa pag-aaral. They gave us a very good discount. So, that's what made me decide to stay here. Dito na kami sa Cebu 2004.
And then the story started there because when you I don't know if my history is correct, pero San Carlos, at least the college team, wasn't winning that much.
Oo.
No, it
Di
wasn't.
ba? Prior to you coming in. And then you
Hindi din.
started to
Medyo
come
tough.
here as an assistant coach to J. Rams.
Yes.
Or
si
as associate head coach ka na ba
Si
doon?
Jay Ramirez talaga ang coach.
J. Ramirez. And then,
Lumalabas lang ako, pero si Coach Jay ang coach.
And then-
Assistant lang ako.
and then San Carlos, USC started winning. Di ba? Started
Oo.
winning. And then, to a point where we got to the finals. Because all of us came from San Carlos.
Ayun na yung ano coach, no? Batch nila, nagsimula ka batch nila, yung
Bogs.
Bogs nila, Jumel, nila ni
Igaw, yes.
Padayaw,
Ninyo.
no? Ninyo,
Ninyo.
Carlo, Padayaw.
Padayaw, Burntangs.
Burntangs.
Yun na yun.
Mm.
Yes.
Tapos tuloy-tuloy na yun hanggang na-develop yung team.
Yes.
Lumakas yung team.
Yes, yung first year, 2004, according to them, nakapasok na kami sa 4 eh.
Final Four.
Yes.
Ako, yeah. I'm
The
not
second
sure.
year, championship, we lost to UV. The third year, championship, we lost to UV.
That was best of
Yun yung
5.
back-to-back MVP.
Grabe,
ko.
no?
Oh.
Diba?
Those
It was
were-
a great battle between
Invite namin si Bogs coach eh. Para lang magtanggi eh. Puntay
Pero
lang.
that was like really huge because San Carlos, like, I mean, I wouldn't say came out of nowhere, pero parang it was a huge achievement for the team. Really undersized,
Oh.
went toe-to-toe against UV who had, at least on the second championship, had both Berame and
Berame.
Greg Slaughter.
uh,
At the same, andun pa si Mepanya.
May panya.
Mepanya pa.
Jayford.
Duga.
Jayford, nandun ba si
Duga.
coach?
Duga. Tapos si Jayford.
Loaded yun.
Lalaki ng UV nun. Tapos we were able
stack team.
to get to 5 games with them, right?
Oo.
Diba?
Umabot ng game.
Umabot. At that time, si Safi had like the championship up to game 5. Best of 5.
Oo.
Best of 5. So, there. And then, moving forward, Coach Mike, after San Carlos, and then you still coach San Carlos a couple of years after those championship
Oh,
years, di
yeah.
ba?
Moving to SWU.
We were since that finals, palagi kami pasok sa 4.
Sa apat, yes. Nag-PCCL pa nga kayo.
Wala, there was never na nangyari na out kami sa 4 sa
Yes.
Final 4.
Yes. So that speaks a lot to his like coaching in a sense. There's plenty of decorated coaches here in Cebu, and that Coach Mike is definitely one of them. Just because at the time yung nangyari to Coach Mike was most of the players that you had sa San Carlos was coming from the juniors but as well, di ba? Di ba? Homegrown.
Yes.
And then we made it like with I would think very very limited capacity for recruitment, di ba?
Oo, wala.
Di ba? Wala masyado yun. You just had to like work with what you had at that time, which is like speaks a lot about what a good coach is.
Coach, if you can tell us a story about how did you keep the players intact? Kasi, for sure, at that time, maraming recruitment din from Manila. So, how did you make them stay sa USC? Or was it yung decision?
There were some of the players kinukuha sa Manila. Pinapapunta, I allowed them to go. Sila nagde-decide to stay here. Wala, I just kept them intact dahil ang ano ko is for them to be able to study first. Ang objective namin is makapag-aral sila. Ayun, it's up to them if they really want to pursue playing, sila magde-decide. Hindi ko sila pinipigilan. Sila
That speaks a
nag-aano
lot,
magstay.
no? But-
Sila nag-aano magstay. So, luckily, swerte ko naman.
When a player stays with a coach, it means at home siya sa coaching and sa team. Yun.
So moving forward, Coach Mike. Now this is the interesting story because
Oh.
Coach Mike and Coach Rocky worked together in Southwestern University, both under the late great Coach Yayoy Alcoseba. So how did it happen that you came aboard in Southwestern?
Oh, I was with San Carlos and then while I was with San Carlos, I was with Coach Yayoy sa Emolier while San Carlos. So, nung Southwestern si Coach Yayoy, the second year niya with Southwestern, in-offer na niya ako to join him.
There. Because he had Coach
In
Yayoy.
fact, hindi pa nga ako pumayag kay Coach Yayoy noon. While ongoing kami nagstorya ni Coach Yayoy, Mr. Andrew Asnar also met with me separately. Si Andrew na nakapag-convince sa akin
na tumuloy.
So, yes.
Tumuloy.
To go with coach.
Because at that time, you had several players, key players of San Carlos who were playing for Lulier, di ba?
Oo,
Bones,
and
Berntangs, Ninrams.
and almost buong UV naman na napunta
Andun,
ron kami
andun.
Oh.
There.
until yung Southwestern players na rin, di ba?
Oh.
Nakasama na.
Talk us about, coach, question. Itong,
Kuan. So ikaw, coach, like if you were to compare ba like the eras, coach, like kanang what's the difference between the players before o kanang the players you're coaching now, like di ba na katong pag-start mo earlier sa imong coaching career, compare nimo sa like karon nga mga players. Are they the same like skill wise
Di naman. Sa
or
skill, pwede. Ang ano ngayon, sobrang entitled ang players.
yes.
Sobrang entitled ang
Actually,
players ngayon. Dati mas naningkamot ang players, mas pursigido sila to play. Yung karon, kailangan bayaran muna.
comes with the
bago
price na
maglaro.
lahat.
daghan ng
Ah,
distractions, coach, no?
Konting sakit, di maglalaro. Dati, maski pilay, naglalaro. That was the malaking difference. Yun ang malaking
Yes.
difference.
In terms of being coachable, are the same pa rin ba?
Oo naman. It's depende talaga sa coach ang ano. Kasagaran depends on how you will be able to work with them.
Coach Mike, we'll go back with,
Yes.
with this question later, but just a quick question. Are you still connected with Southwestern?
Ngayon wala na.
So wala ka na sa
Free
Southwestern.
agent,
Wala.
like a coach, free agent.
Yes. Wala na ako.
So you're not connected with Southwestern, and just to be clear, you're available for
Oh,
some coaching duties. Huh? Oh, that's some news right there. Coach Mike is available. Once again, a very decorated coach, updated, and then has a huge track record for winning and success. So whoever is interested for his skills,
Let us know.
let us know.
Kay nami porsyento.
There, so it's hard to come by, especially here in Cebu, that a good coach goes to the free agent market. So yeah, he'll be a good catch, definitely.
So ikaw, coach, if you were to quad coach, would you prefer high school or college? If kuan ba?
kahit ano, but college siguro dahil
College.
matagal-tagal na rin with college.
Yes.
Although the first couple of years with San Carlos, I was also involved sa
High school.
high school team. In fact, we made the program nga. We built the program.
Yung bridging?
Yes.
No.
Oo.
There was one, Gallardo's time.
Oo, yes.
Gino?
Yung malayo pa, alam namin gagraduate this position, so we developed this position sa baba.
Bridging
Coach
na.
Mike,
May program talaga.
it's not a secret that you had a very huge contribution at that time sa San Carlos as to how how success came to San Carlos. What were the things that you added, took out, change per se?
Ang system na.
Oh.
System.
Culture talaga palagi ang una.
Culture.
Always the culture.
Talk us more about it.
When I started with San Carlos, nagtataka ako, day in and day out, iba-iba nag-a-absent.
So yun yung nangyayari doon when you came
May
in.
late, may absent. Nasanay ako sa Ateneo, when I was with Ateneo College that time. Walang nag-a-absent, walang nagle-late. Wala pang scholarship ang players. No?
At that time.
At that time, sa
Wala?
Ateneo College, wala.
Wala?
Walang scholarship yun.
Grabe, no?
The commitment talaga, yun ang unang-unang. That's the first thing that we changed sa San Carlos. Then everything fell in place. Yung culture talaga.
Question.
So kuan coach. So ito.
Itong system. You mentioned about
Kuan
system.
coach. Kanang sa system ba? Like unsa man nimo ha as a coach, like do you change the system based on the materials you have or you just stick with the system you know?
Hindi, definitely. Depende sa materials.
So
kasi
you adjust.
lahat naman ng system, it's more or less you have an idea on how to run them. Pero it's depende sa manpower talaga. Isang sikat na coach said that, si David Blatt.
David Blatt.
Yes.
Nasa player talaga ang dapat.
Yeah.
Mainly players.
Utilize and leverage on players'
Kung
skills.
ano, yes.
What they have.
Kung anong material.
Pero ikaw coach, what do you believe coach? Do you believe nga ang basketball is a player's game or a coach's game in your own kuan ba?
It's really a player's game, but of course, the coaches still can influence. Ibig sabihin, kung si Mike Krzyzewski mag-coach ng Gilas, mananalo ka ba sa US team?
Oh.
Hindi naman eh.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba?
Yes.
Si Tim Cole mag-coach ng US team, he's
Posible.
going to win. Di ba?
Oh, materials.
It's really the players.
Players.
But of course, malaking influence syempre pa rin ang player. Ang coaches.
Ang coaches. Yeah.
Bale, it's both talaga. Pero baka more on players.
Baka. We'll take that.
Ang ano ko kasi sa coaching is, maski na medyo mahina ang material mo, it's how you play.
Yes.
It's how you play.
It's hindi sa mananalo ka eh. It's how your team plays.
Yes.
That makes sense.
Wow.
That makes a lot of sense. It's how your team plays.
Hindi winning doesn't define you who you are as a coach.
Yes.
Like what I said nga, pag si Krzyzewski nag-coach ng Gilas, mananalo ka ba sa US? Hindi naman eh. Diba?
That's a very good point. That's a very good point. When it comes to like coaches, players, I know that's a very good point. Just coming out of like Coach Mike's
So, Coach, given your track record, Coach ba? So, what is the hardest part of being a coach? Kanang unsa may muhang what do you find it
Ang
difficult?
pinakamahirap is, you have to be present day in and day out. Unlike players, there are day offs, pwede ka tamarin, pwede ka,
Injured.
injured. Coach, you have to be there day in and day out.
Consistency.
The commitment is first and foremost
Commitment.
players. After that, of course, you have to get the trust. You have to be able to. Kailangan mapabuy-in mo ang players to follow you. You have to gain their respect.
It's probably one of the trickiest.
Kasi you can't demand respect. You have to gain it.
Agree,
You have to
100%.
earn it.
100% agree.
Players follow because coach ka lang. Iba pag may magandang relation.
I highly agree when it comes to
They
that.
follow you because of the relationship you have with each other.
Is there a particular team coach na you would say yung pinaka-memorable or pinaka-favorite mong babalik-balikan mo when you as time passes by?
Let's talk about si
Talaga-
Safi.
Nire-reminisce mo talaga yung
Each and every team may special yung bawat isa
Okay,
Hindi, coach. Isa lang talaga, coach.
Maski na
Sinasabi
the year nag-last place kami, Southwestern, it's a still special.
Was there
May
a
kanya-kanya.
time when nag-last place kayo?
Iba-iba.
may unique na
Bumalik si Coach siya yun. May kanya-kanya
17.
unique qualities every
17 mo doon 5 year mo sa UC na sud mo finals, di ba?
Oh.
Oh, na last place because
Kailan kayo umalis si Coach?
17.
17. So 17 kami last place. Second to the last kami. 18 last place kami. 19 champion.
wait. So 17, yeah, listen 17 second to the last or last.
Second to the last kami.
But 2 years after you won the championship.
Yes.
So that speaks a lot about how you were able to develop that team, I would say, like right
From
off
scratch.
from scratch.
Oh,
Diba?
yes.
At a short amount, usually it takes.
Wala naman silang shock po na to.
Okay.
Balikan.
We had,
Ang lakas ng iyo.
let's not talk about the materials every because
every year
that's
naman.
pretty
di ba?
much constant.
Every year naman.
Pretty much constant. The materials of University of the Visayas. University of the Visayas. Nice ka, coach. So, yeah. Trivia lang gamay. Nasa sa University, we mentioned this one first. Nasa sa University of Visayas. Formerly from Southway. Again, he's a free agent. Coach Mike is a free agent. He's very much available to coach. So they met in, you guys met with UB 2008 and you won it. Was it third 3-game series, no?
Yes,
Or is it-
3
3 games na.
Yes, 3 games too. 3-game series. Talk us about, a little bit about that experience lang. Because that's your first time to win as a Safi, di ba?
Oh,
As a head coach.
yes.
As a head coach. As assistant, you won it with Coach Yayo and Coach Rocky at that
Coach
time.
Yayo yun.
At that time.
Yung
So-
nag-champion kami was with Coach Yayo.
Yeah. Talk us about the experience at that time, 2019, before the pandemic.
Ang nangyari nun, luckily, dumating yung import namin
kasi
just a
lamig.
month before the opening or before Partners Cup.
Your import,
Before,
Lamin.
kuhan ko siya, less than a month, coach. Kasi
Lamin siya.
naglaro pa tayo sa Mualboal eh. Iba pa yung player niyong ginamit eh.
curiously,
Mahales.
you did not get a big man for import, right? Parang
Wala.
wingman yun si
Yes,
Tiam, di ba?
yes.
Wingman yun.
Oh.
Di ba? So, that was pretty big. Every Sisafi team at that time was getting really big guys. 6'8", 6'9", 6'7" guys.
Yes.
You had like Tiam who was like a wingman who played the wing along with Shaq, di ba? So yeah, carry on, coach.
Yun, luckily dumating siya. So, we had no foreign student athlete that
Yes.
time. So, ayan, to make do, okay na ako sa'yo. Kahit na 6'7" ka, 6'6" ka lang. Wingman.
Wingman.
Apparently, as nadugay,
Gumaling.
sobrang galing. He does what is needed sa team. If we have,
What is needed?
if we have to rebound, gagawin niya. If we
Mm.
have to score, gagawin niya. Lahat. So, that was the last puzzle
It
talaga.
all went down to
Yun.
free throws, di ba? That game, if I remember it right.
Parang, yes.
Di ba? It all
yes.
went down to free throws. Doon na nagkakatalo sa free throws na at the end. So yeah, we're pretty good series at that time.
Unfortunately nga, dumating yung pandemic, no?
Oo.
Tapos next
yes.
nun was what? KCS.
KCS.
na.
KCS. Another championship.
Championship na naman
Another
yun, di ba?
championship.
Iwan. Oh,
Nobody thought you would win that one.
Wala talaga.
Talisay, MJAS, Zenith, Talisay was really strong.
Oo.
Really strong. And then you guys lost by a huge amount of
Wala
margin
rin,
during elims.
elimination.
Diba,
yes.
20 points was it?
Yes.
You lost to MJAS 20 points during the elimination.
Yes.
That Vismin Cup during the pandemic, daming nanonood doon kasi that was the only league that was playing at that
Yes.
time. Walang nangyayari around the basketball world at that time.
Live sport.
Yeah, yun lang
Bubble.
talaga yung may naglalaro. Everybody was watching it and
Bubble.
tuning into it because it was the only thing that was there. Di ba?
Daming ang nagalit sa amin nun eh. Lahat nakapusta sa Talisay. No one expected us.
Buti na lang padami nyo.
Only we expected us.
You believe in it na dati na kaya na talaga
Yeah.
talunin. Eh,
Paano yung coach? Paano na napanalo yun?
Oh,
Kasi pag-
what I kept telling our assistants, the elimination games, the first round, the second round, kumbaga, we're just trying to measure them.
Feeling out.
Kung
kasi
makakaya.
super round robin yun, di ba?
Kung makakaya natin.
Kasi narinig ko parang there was one podcast na sabi mo rin na at that time, if tama ako, there were no tune-up games.
Wala.
Kasi yun yung bubble eh. And the tune-up game was the game itself during the elimination.
Yeah.
So it speaks about adjusting the chessboard as a coach. Kasi eliminations, parang yun na yung tune-up game mo. Pag finals, iba na yung nilaro ng players mo. Iba yung nilaro nila. Well-adjusted na sila sa team.
Yes. Yun nga, sa semis, parang minimeasure mo lang kung kaya mo. And then, sa finals, you do different schemes na. Luckily naman, it works.
With that short period of time, no? For
Oo.
adjustments.
Dahil nakabubble, so madali eh. Viewing, individual tendencies, practice dyan, it was very easy. Although maikli lang, pero we were all in one place.
So,
Nagagawa lahat
So,
kagad.
coach, how do you decide, coach? Like, when do you change when you see your game, like maybe in the elimination, you saw how you played, you saw how the other team played. So, as a coach, what is your mindset or the approach? Like, how do you decide to change your strategy or let's do this instead of this?
Like sa defensive schemes kasi, you have your regular defense.
Yes.
Your regular defense without scouting, that is what your team will run. Now, you know he can beat you this way, so gagawa ka na ng scheme on how to defend him. Gumagawa ka ng scheme, it's not necessarily you'll be able to stop him, pero you'll give him a harder time.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Like, a perfect example was si Paolo Cubalde.
Ubalde.
Yeah.
And,
If we do hard show, kayang-kaya niya kami.
Mm.
Because hard show, ginagawa niya. So, iniba-iba namin ang coverage.
pwede
Because hard show, alam na alam niya, sa pagka-veterano niya, he knows how to beat.
Do you, of course, you practice that junior practice and then call it during the game din.
Tapos,
diba?
pinag-usapan rin.
mag-blitz kayo or
Yes.
Yeah.
Iba-ibahin na.
ice ba ron?
Yes.
Si Coach Mike kasi napansin ko, the more you put effort on defense, mas mabibigyan mo sila ng playing time.
Oh, yes. In fact, some or most of our our best players
Right.
They became franchise players because they learned to play both ends of the court. Dahil earlier in their careers,
Puro
like
offense.
Nino Ramirez,
Ah.
Shaquille Imperial, they don't play defense, kunyari lang dumidepensa. Pero they make them understand earlier na pag di ka dumipensa, you cannot play.
Kasi when I last saw Nino, he was a bit chubby and big.
Oo, yes.
Nung bigla kami nagkita uli, nag-iba yung itsura ni Ninrams. Talagang
Talaga, yes.
bato-bato.
yes.
Sabi ko, Nin,
Even
Sabi
up
niya,
to this day, ganun
oh,
pa rin siya.
if you can see, yung influence na nakuha niya was there and he was able to keep it until today.
Oh.
Sabi niya, grabe yung sacrifices na binigay nila for USC under your coaching. So nakita naman yung transformation niya, tsaka yung pag-evolve niya from a purely offensive player, naging defensive player na rin siya. Yun yung nakita ko sa yung dati. How you transform players. Yeah, sabi mo nga, from one way to two way.
Yes. Kailangan
Hindi sila
pa-
nabababad.
That being
both
said, Coach,
ends, eh.
can you give us some of your favorite players?
Yun, si Shaq.
Shaq,
Si Nino.
Nino, Bogs,
Wala, halos lahat naman kasi siya, of course, sila ang favorite pero they were the main players. But halos lahat naman ganun. Pare-pareho naman ang But syempre, the main players give them more time. But lahat naman.
Equal.
Yes.
If meron kang coach, eto parang NBA, yung magda-draft ka. So maging naging players mo lang. First five mo.
Yun.
All time niya.
All time.
five, sa Safi 5 mo.
Players niya.
Regardless.
Mepanya, Lianto.
Patay.
Di
J.
yun,
Ford coach.
di yung na-coach mo lang. Yung na-coach mo lang.
Sa Lulier.
Oh, yun nga.
Hindi, sa CBF, si Mepanya, naglaro sa akin.
Sa Jazz. Sa Jazz mo na siya nalaro nun? Oh, nice.
Doon sobrang galing niya, first five na siya pagbalik niya ng
J. Ford
So,
coach.
sino yun? Mepanya, Bogs.
Bog.
Sino pa? May tatlo pa tayo, Coach.
Imperial.
Imperial.
Okay.
Sino ba ba?
Magaling ba yun si Shaq, coach?
May dalawa ba, Coach?
Dalawa.
J. Ford.
J. Ford. Apat na. Isa na lang.
Point guard.
Point guard.
Woodens.
Woodrow. Pero puro Lulier. Kasi
Oh,
kasi
no.
Coach Yayo naman yan. Woodrow, yes.
Sa'yo, yung sa
Woodrow.
Woodrow. The late, great Woodrow Enriquez.
Woodens.
Late, great Woodrow Enriquez.
Point guard mo, coach. Bernini.
Burntangs. Ano ba nga si Polican?
Polican.
Oh, William.
Polican.
Coach.
Polican. Doon pa,
Talino
dami. When you're
Babyface assassin yun.
when you've coached that long and had so many success, you cannot limit it to just 5 players really, because there's success in it, and then you've been coaching for so long, then so hard to get just 5 players. Baka duha ka team pagani.
So katong na ako sa UC, namin sa UC ni Coach Yayoy, and si Coach Mike was in Southwestern. Kana Coach Yayoy gave me the key sa
Coaching.
in running the team because busy siya as a counselor. So I was given the key to So when the schedule was announced already, so na Southwestern dito. So we'll be practicing different sets but I know example lang, we'll be playing against San Carlos on a Sunday. Then the next game na mo mukontra mi sa Southwestern maybe on a Saturday. So among sets ato lahi to. Kay kibaw ko kasi Coach Mike grabe pa siya mo scout. So
Naamuguli siya sa mga duwa si Safi, magulingod-lingkod.
lagi so mauna siya nga among sets sa Mito San Carlos lahi. So by the time nga katong Monday to Friday naami mga sets nga gipang-usab na pod. Inana siya kay tungod nagduwa ko niya dili na ko at least nami chance to compete with Coach Mike ba. So na akong na challenge po ko ato murag nagduwa ko chess game ni Coach Mike ba nga akong usbon ako mga set plays para kuan but ana man siya kuan kay siya kanang inana siya ka veterano na nga coach nga kontra na kibaw na siya unsay iya hapon
Counter.
Pretty calm on the sidelines too, Coach Mike. Bihira kita makita nagagalit eh. Sa sidelines.
Tol na siya.
That's through the experience.
At least bihira kita nakikita sumisigaw or sa mga officials ng game, parang binibiro mo lang yung dinadaan mo sa biro, kadalasan yung mga reklamo mo ba. So, yun yung notice ko kasi I had like the pleasure to like, I wouldn't say go up, but to see you coach opposite side of the bench nung because I was in last year ng Southwest last year. So I was there sa UGR, kita ko coach. So, pretty calm, kalmado talaga, tapos patawa-tawa lang. Yung ganun ba. Tapos, yeah, bilis mag-adjust mo, Coach Mike. Yun.
That's true experience na
Oh,
siguro.
experience gina niya.
Yeah.
Kaya nagduwa ta tong asa to coach katong before pandemic dito ta sa Mindanao, asa to? Limot naman ko sa
Before pandemic.
Oh.
Yes.
Sa-
Yes.
Mindanao.
Basta yung malaking prize money.
Oh, then
Ah,
sa player na mo niya. Igon ko nga scouted na mga coach Mike ko, so switch niya moto usbo na sad nako. From there murag na challenge po ko ba kay kibaw alam na niya yung gawin eh. So pa-switch niya mga players. So adjust naman ako, nag-drawing ako sa board. Na-adjust so na like naka-score kami ng like once or twice but nakita na naman niya so adjust na naman niya. So murag chess game yun ba? Murag challenge
Just
yun.
give. Lingaw, ano?
Oh, lingaw jud kayo.
It might be probably more interesting because you guys work together like, pila, 5 years?
Oh.
Di ba?
Pero actually, I was at murag at that time I was still nag-learn na jud ko. I was just there sitting on the side observing. Kay Coach Mike was the
The lead assistant.
Siya is not there. Coach Mike was the kuan good. So at that time nagkuan lang ko. I was still learning, observing. Then when we transferred sa UC, from there murag ako lang akong na-experience as a kuan dito as a assistant coach. Ko lang gida. Then I added my own taste.
Coach Mike,
Yes.
because I think it was written in the question, Southwestern University, your former school, had a very extensive strength and conditioning program, and I know the coaches there as well. I know the coaches that run those programs, which are really like reputable coaches. Then, what are your thoughts on strength and conditioning?
Right at present, I can't imagine myself without a strength and conditioning coach because for so long, iniwan ko na yan kesa strength and conditioning coach namin. I'm not concerned about our conditioning. I'm just concerned on the basketball itself. The strength and the physical, the strength and the speed conditioning depende na sa strength and conditioning coach. So, what I always tell him, whoever that is, Carl, wala akong pakialam dyan kung ano ang sayo, that's your forte. Gawin mo ang gagawin mo. That's how important it is for me.
Nice.
Hindi ko pakikialaman conditioning mo. You tell me to practice light, I will practice light.
Nice. Wow.
So
Wow.
compartmentalize na ninyo coach.
That's
to
how
stay in charge.
important it is para sa akin. In fact, if I had a team right now at wala akong strength and conditioning coach, I will demand. If not, I don't know anong mangyayari.
I see.
Although of course you have an idea, pero iba na
Iba
yung
talaga.
pinag-aralan talaga.
Yes,
Iba talaga
yes.
yung science.
Oh.
Iba yung science talaga.
Highly.
Our players right now, we have a couple of players from Southwestern last year. They tell me ngayon, ang hirap namin mag-practice, coach, pero mas kondisyon kami ng Southwest. Ang light natin mag-practice, sinasabi nila. So that goes to show na how the importance of the proper strength and conditioning training program. That goes
It has
to
to
show.
complement.
Hindi na uso nung araw, hard, push. Hindi na uso, hindi na pwede. Hindi na pwede ngayon.
That's coming from Coach Mike, guys. So, we spoke about evolution on the past. So, he's coached for a long time, and that's us again as to the kind of coach that he is. Very adaptable. Yeah, because when he started, I don't believe it was there. Wala, di ba? Like, you had to run it yourself, if I'm not wrong. Di ba? You have to run the conditioning, the strength, and whatever. So, that just shows you, again, one of the good traits, I guess, of a good coach. A very adaptable one, more than anything.
And I think, it takes away some of the efforts that you have to put in on that
no
and
stress.
focus more
Definitely.
on
Just
coaching.
what you need to focus.
Definitely.
Eh, sabi ni coach, leave it to them.
Yeah.
And he gives his full trust.
Oh,
Yes.
yes. That's
Diba?
one way of ano din,
Yeah.
building up yung the people around you. Uh,
Coach,
empower mo talaga sila sa kanilang responsibilities.
so coach, kanang regarding sa kuan coach, since we're talking about college basketball here sa Cebu. So how about sa CISAFE coach? What do you think kanang ang murag need nga murag i-improve sa CISAFE? Like what do you think kanang should be kanang i-enhance?
First, our only tournament kasi is CISAFE. After that, wala na
Wala na.
tayong intercollegiate
Ah,
na.
Yeah, we were
Unlike
talking
sa
about that
other
one
days.
in our previous
Uh,
episodes.
What do you think
Safi,
about
There-
what do you think coach of CISAFE like having a second conference so to speak?
or preseason.
Preseason.
Kahit na preseason and
Mm.
maybe another tournament. Kasi sa Manila, dagan
Dagan
Yeah.
kayo, coach, no?
Dagan.
So the players
Grabe.
really are very
Tournaments,
competitive.
yes.
Like even if UAAP or NCAA is going on, there's still pocket leagues na
Na-
yung mga team B na naglalaro doon. So, di na
Wala,
zero ba?
Si Jai Reyes is we're talking about the idea of having a season here. Sabi ko, kung kaya, makakuha ko muna ng sponsor because the schools won't spend for that. But we're trying.
Pero I think ang sa school sa school side coach dili naman siguro because they don't have to spend anything siguro aside sa maybe allowance o kanang maybe little transportation kay
Parang
Ang-
mga registration fee.
so
ganon.
they have to cover everything siguro but so that the school will be
Yes.
entice the school to join ba nga murag all expense paid na insurance so that ang schools wala na
Sasali lang.
because ang players ang athletes is already enrolled man kanang enrolled na sila in the entire year di ba na sila allowance every month.
Previously din, coach, Safi had a channel that
Oh,
covers
yeah.
us. RCTV, was it before?
Di ko maalala pero
but there
that
was,
was because of
Sky
Ronnie
Cable.
Nathaniels.
Sky Cable.
Sky Cable, di ba?
Sky Cable
Di ba?
side, oh.
It was being covered before.
na
Di ba? Although showed late, di ba? Showed late ba yun?
Oh, but
murag
Or live?
meron ding live.
Live.
Meron
Live.
live.
Yeah.
There was a time.
There was a
na nagla-
time there. I remember
Pero
that one.
Juan coach, how about coach? What can you say coach kanang sa attendance coach ba? Like
Because the gates now sa Safi, hindi na
Oh.
pupuno. Kaya championship, di ba?
Oh.
Hindi na
it's
napupuno.
not like before.
Sa like before. Yung yung 2011, yung
Dako bag impact coach, do you think nga kanang tungod sa social media kanang Facebook live
Malaking
na
bagay pa.
convenience sa tao ba?
Yeah,
Na
yeah.
you don't have to go there. Libre ba? Mo ka sa Facebook,
That's true.
everyone has cellphone. So naasad siguro na key factor.
definitely.
Napag-usapan na to, coach, dati, di ba, yung sa schools i-hold yung mga mga
Home and away.
Oh, before
home and away.
it happened before.
Although not all schools
That's the
have
solution
sports.
Yeah.
Bring it to the students. That's it.
Yeah.
Kasi kanang home and away.
Home
And
and
then
away.
you'll give them
Wako na.
opportunity to feel the
Hindi sa ingon mo feel. I think ang may tabuhan na it benefits a lot. Yun, for me it benefits a lot because what do sponsors need to invest for you to invest? Ba, example, I'm a sponsor. Sponsor ko og usa ka network. So I would give money sa inyo kani nga advertisement or something diri sa Safi. Pero how do I get money in return? So para nako if ang Safi would bring the basketball games sa campus nga asa to, like example UV, San Carlos, USJR, adto dito sa UV, tanan estudyante puno. So ang sponsors inindot kay tan-awon dito igawa sa TV kay puno good.
Yes.
Maybe
Yes, that's
it's up to
the
it's up to the kanang school kung ilahabang mo nga gate receipts or wala. But ang kuan lang is ang Safi mo grow ba kay daghan na kuan puno gud ang nindot kita na puno murag kuan then igadto si SGR ang invite pa ron tanan so libre tanan ang tanang schools. So grabe kay ba murag nindot kayo og impact ba like ang school spirit siguro would be kanang mabalik gani so ang
Correct.
marketing for Safi would be easier kay daghan mo follow I think.
Okay, also for example, if you wanna watch Safi but you have classes in between, the games is something like a schedule in between sa breaks mo.
Oh, mo travel
Instead
ka.
of having the opportunity to watch that on your own school, if nag-fall sa schedule mo, you
yes.
have to travel and come back.
Inconvenient
So,
yeah.
you're gonna miss the game. Unlike if i-host ni, kunwari, USC or the UV
Oh.
or ni UC, kung saan man yun, convenient sa sino mga students nandun.
Oh, and it would be a school thing na. Like example, ang host team would be San Carlos, the cheer dance would kick in. Na ana dito, half time or every
Ready
quarter
na.
na manayaw dito. or naabot to yung mga drum and bugle, naa dito. So it would be a school thing nga, i-promote na dito sa school. So naanay ang teams, ang school spirit would be kanang alive yun kay tanan ba if nana gani home and away
I
ba.
remember nung time nga, Southway had one of the largest crowd, but criminology, yun, patuon yung graduate, would sit in the upper box, and then they would chant and cheer and very noisy.
Yung Maritime.
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 Nila dati.
Tinanggal yung Maritime.
Nawala
Wala
din
ng
yun.
Maritime.
Okay.
During our time in San Carlos with Jojo
Sir Jojo,
Saso.
yung PE class niya, pinapapunta
Yes,
niya ron.
yes.
Correct.
100%. I was there. That time, when you were coaching San Carlos, I was a student in USC, so I was one of those nasisend doon para manood.
Ito. So, indot you guys na
So,
kuan ba?
Kung
There.
host, no?
Nice. Okay, so, yeah,
So, kuan coach, since panang nanatas ato ang murag
Kota.
final quarter na, last
Okay.
2 minutes na. Oh, so mao na siya nga. So, coach, atong message, unsa may imong message, coach, for the all aspiring coaches
Coaches
here
and
in
players.
Cebu. As you can see, sa Facebook na mga coaches nga mag-video sa ilahang pag-coach, pag-inspire sa mga younger kids, how they coach. So, ikaw, coach, as a coach nga decorated kayo nga been coaching for a very long time already.
3 decades? 3 decades,
Dedicated
Coach.
na grabe ang
Yes,
coach Mike.
33 years.
3 decades, 3 decades.
Kaida na ako.
Oh, yes. 3 decades.
So, unsa may imong message, coach, to those aspiring coaches who want to coach?
Gagayahin ko lang. I just heard this also. Pero so coaches or players, it's just have to follow your heart. Diba? Sa buhay natin lahat, in our lives, there's so much that you have to do. Like tayo, we have to work, we have to provide. There, we have a little time where we can follow what we want to do.
Yes.
100%, Coach.
Diba? So that little time that that little time that you have, just follow your heart. Follow your heart, then gawin mo ang mga gusto mong gawin.
Nice.
very
Just
nice,
train
Coach.
to
That's
your
very nice.
self.
So,
Try to improve using that
Yes.
time.
so mo to yung
Using
mga
that
coach
time,
nga
and,
katong
we-
ingon mo earlier, coach, nga trabahoon kag 8 to 5, late ka. But
Yes.
8 in the morning, malate ka. But practice
5 in the morning.
5 in the morning.
Nandun ka na.
So, follow your heart.
There.
You follow
Nice,
your
nice.
Yeah.
you
So,
follow your heart, and we're all God's creation, and give glory to God in whatever
Amen.
endeavor.
Amen.
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 Always give glory.
Amen, Coach Mike.
So that's our episode for today, mga kabasket. So,
Basket.
nalamig short disclaimer na may disclaimer nga all our among gipang storya diri amo is basically our opinion
Our own
based on our
opinions.
experiences. So, wala na siya. Let's keep it light.
And then comment, follow, and then once again, we'd like to thank
Mike.
Coach Mike for taking time in joining us. It's a privilege. Maraming salamat talaga, Coach Mike.
Yes,
you're welcome.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din.
Thank you, coach. Thank you,
Basta si
coach.
Coach Rafi. Isang tawag lang.
Magtawag sa mga kapon na. Okay, okay.
Isang text lang ni Coach.
What time, coach? Niko, 8 o'clock siya. Oh, kailangan 7:30. Nandyan ako. Iko, di, coach, 8 o'clock lang. 8:30. Kaya hindi ako mga kauban.
Oy, wala po talaga. Anyway, I think that's our 4th episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. And then we'll see you guys.
Thank you,
on the
mga
next
kabasket.
EP. Thank you, mga kabasket.
Eh,
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Coach.